Sri K.C. Ramamurthy. From the Rajya Sabha gallery, number 1. Sankship, you have to read, just.
Sir, Rummy is considered to be a game of skill. In reality, it is gambling and betting money through rummy with the greed of getting more so. The online rummy, which is rapidly spreading its tentacles by luring all sections, more particularly the youth, with attractive advertisements and promotions, assuring lucrative returns, which are totally false. Looking at these advertisements, youngsters, after losing money, are resorting to criminal and other activities to carry on with this addiction. This is creating wrong impression and worry among the parents about the future of their loved ones, sir. Sir, it seems that there are 4 online accredited rummy operators, AS3, Jungle Rummy, Rummy Circle, Rummy Passion, accredited by the Rummy Federation. And according to the KPMG report, the online real money gaming industry is estimated at 2,200 crores and is growing at 30% annually and will touch 12,000 crores by 2023. So in view of the above, I request the Government of India to immediately declare online rummy as illegal and ban the same forthwith. And we see that famous celebrities, including cricketers like MS Dhoni and film stars, clearly, propagate this. And this is a bad precedent, and it's going to have adverse effect on the society.
Thank you. Online rummy तो मिनिस्टर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का सब्जेक्ट होगा, बट फिर भी लॉ मिनिस्टर उसको देखे. श्री अनिल देसाई कहाँ? लोकसभा अनिल जी. श्री अनिल देसाई not there. Sri Dr. Santanu Sen. Yes, please.
Sir, the term social distancing should not be used anymore, as we know that in order to avoid corona transmission, the term social distancing is being regularly used and it is being advised to maintain social distancing. Actually, it's a physical distance of nearly 6 feet between 2 persons which is needed. But on the contrary, use of the term social distance has indirectly promoted social stigma, which has led to nearly an attitude of boycotting COVID patients socially, and as its consequences, COVID patients and their family members are facing several inhuman situations. Sometimes social distancing creates differences considering socio-economic, religious and political perspectives. So to stop this social discrimination and social stigma, the term social distancing should not be utilized anymore to fight COVID, and instead of that physical distancing should be used.
Right. So the special mention में the heading should be read and then lay it on the table because a lot of people are there. ये जो सुझाव दिया ना डॉक्टर संतोष सर ने, ये महत्वपूर्ण सुझाव है. और एसोसिएट ना सिर्फ भेज दीजिए. मेरा कहना है इसको सुरक्षित दूरी, रामगोपाल जी बता पाएंगे. सुरक्षित दूरी, सेफ डिस्टेंस, दैट इज बेटर. पारस्परिक दूरी का अर्थ दोबारा होगा, घर में झगड़ा होगा. ये उससे ठीक है. Yes, social distancing should be replaced by an appropriate word. बैठ के मत बोलिए please. Yeah. We have to. Society as a whole has to evolve some broad this thing, and government should take lead. I do agree. Then Sri Prasanna Acharya, sir, main बता के ले करना.
Sir.
Subject.
Sir, the subject of my special submission is regarding sickle cell disease, which has posed a serious health hazard in western region of Odisha and adjoining district of eastern Chhattisgarh. I lay my special mention on the table.
Thank you. Sri Tiruchi Siva.
My special mention is addressing the inequalities in access to education for children during the pandemic owing to existing digital divide. Sir, with cases on the rise, schools remain shut, with children now being able to access education solely through digital means. This has resulted in vast disparities in access to education among children. A recently released survey by the NSO for 2017 states with
Right.
reduced access are little above 50%, and larger states like Tamil Nadu and UP are access only below 20%, sir. This is worsened by the rural-urban divide, with rural areas having even fewer connections.
Right,
Because
Shiva.
of the pandemic cash trap, sir, it was promised by the Honorable Prime Minister that in 1,000 days, the digital divide will be bridged. Education policies earlier have suggested increased spending, with the current policy aiming at 6%.
Right,
Children
please.
who do not have access to internet fall behind by a whole term, giving undue advantage for a
Thank you,
private school
Shiva. It's a
student.
very important
Sir,
matter. The government should focus its attention on this issue.
Thank you.
Finance Minister is there, she will take note.
Thank you, sir.
No, because in the rural area, it's often complained that they don't have adequate facilities yet, though it's a welcome step. Dr. Sasmit Patra,
Sir,
Dr.
Dr.
Sasmit.
Sasmit Patra from the Lok Sabha chamber, sir.
Lok Sabha, please, go
Lok
ahead.
Sabha chamber, sir. Sir, my special mention is on the topic allotment of land in Delhi for establishment of Odisha Cultural Center and Library. Sir, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, in a letter dated 7th December 2019, requested the Honorable Union Minister of Housing and Urban Development to allot a suitable land in Delhi for the purposes of establishment of Odisha Cultural Center and Library. So it's been about 9 months now, sir. We hope the Honorable Minister will respond, and the land that has been requested by the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha will be provided to Odisha. I lay the special mention on the table of the House. Thank you.
Thank you. Sri P.L. Punia. Punia ji,
PL Punia from Rajya Sabha Gallery.
yes.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, तालाबंदी के दौरान करोड़ों मजदूर अपने गांव लौट गए और उन्हें रोजगार देने के लिए महात्मा गांधी रोजगार योजना ने महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया। आज करोड़ों मजदूरों को उनके गांव में ही मजदूरी मिल रही है। जब कोरोना का खतरा खत्म हो जाएगा तो ये करोड़ों मजदूर वापस काम की तलाश में शहरों में लौट जाएंगे। महोदय, आज की स्थिति में कोरोना निरंतर बढ़ रहा है। ये स्थिति कब तक चलेगी कोई अनुमान नहीं लगाया जा सकता।
Right.
इसलिए आवश्यक है कि गांव में मनरेगा के माध्यम से और अधिक रोजगार की व्यवस्था की जाए। महोदय, हर राज्य में मजदूरों के 100 दिन लगभग पूरे हो गए हैं। अब इन मजदूरों को काम नहीं दिया जा रहा।
Right. Punia ji, you have to say it.
ये फिर रोजगार,
सभा पटल के ऊपर
आई
रखना
एम
है।
रीडिंग इट, और वे फिर बेरोजगार हैं। ऐसी स्थिति में सरकार को तुरंत कोई रास्ता निकालना चाहिए। इसके लिए मनरेगा में कुछ बदलाव की आवश्यकता है। मेरा अनुरोध है कि दैनिक मजदूरी बढ़ाकर न्यूनतम 300 रुपए किया जाए। परिवार में एक व्यक्ति की जगह 2 व्यक्तियों को
Right, Punia ji. Next, Sri Anil Desai,
और रोजगार की-
Lok Sabha Chamber.
Yeah, Anil Desai.
Anil
from
Desai ने
Lok Sabha
मैसेज
Chamber.
भेजा, वो आ गए।
Yes, yes, sir.
Please, Anil Desai.
Yeah, my subject of special mention is exorbitant hike in platform tickets. Ours is a welfare state, and it is expected that government policies should always be for the welfare of the common people. Government adopting the route of privatization of number of services which are directly affecting common people. Recently, with a view to curtailing the crowd at the railway stations across the country, the Railway Board has increased the fare of platform tickets from 10 to rupees 50
Right.
per person. It is quite exorbitant and not justified. Entry at the platform should always be need-based. If a passenger is old, infirm,
Right, Anil ji.
capable of- I
The
mean, it should
need
be-
to reduce the rate of platform
Yes, sir.
tickets. That is the
Yes, sir.
subject, yes, right.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't want any of you to be on the platform. So next.